Welcome to the Urban Experience. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. This video that you're about to watch is a small portion of an extremely huge tournament that ladies are fighting left and right to get to the #1 spot, starting with 64 girls won. Right now, we're just reacting to this amazing artist. This is my first time hearing this artist. Welcome to the Urban Experience. And here we go.
Listen to me. Learn from me. I wasn't the best because I killed quickly. I was the best because the crowd loved me. In the crowd, and you'll win your freedom. I will win the crowd.
Automatic.
I will give them something they've never seen before.
I don't play games, homie, I ain't got time. Especially when I do this for my homies that ain't got time. I'ma do this for the city, every hotline. Go to every block, every hood, every corner, every stop sign. I just wanna get it for the days that I was living in the hood. Wait a minute, I don't even know if you could call it living. Pay attention, cause at any given minute you be chilling with your niggas and be witness to a killing. Hold up. Grew up on the north side nigga to the fullest. I was quicker than the bullets that was going past the window. It's all or nothing, so I'm coming for the crown. What the fuck you think I'm here for? Made no mistake about it. Fake shit, I can't allow it. Trapped in this game, now I can't get out it. You want that real shit and I feel the same about it. I was in the trenches just like you, wondering how the fuck I'ma get through. I don't have a plan, but I know one thing. Gotta get up out this motherfucker and I can't lose. Eyes on the prize and I know I can't quit. Never gon' fail, so I'm on my shit. Gotta keep going and I can't look back. Took on the world, now it's on my back. Back up, homie, don't act up. I'm from Fly City where this rap shit really ain't a factor. And when them killers on your back and make a motherfucking backpacker pack up on some other shit, then was the odds I was up against. So I ain't fazed by none of this, cause in reality I love this shit. For all the grinding I was doing, they ain't know who they was fucking with.
Hustle for a minute, now it's really time to get it, so it's only fair I'm letting
So I make my backpack pack up. That was a cool bar. It was okay.
them know that I'm a motherfucking animal. It's true, you don't want me coming for you. Just sit back and keep enjoying the show, cause yo, you don't really want it. Come and step to the flow, you already know. Make it too cold with the microphone. I'm beast mode, better leave it alone. You don't really want it. Cause I came too far to stop. Regardless, I'm off the wall, jump off the block. I'm a monster, watch bitch, better call the cops.
Welcome to the Hunger Games. You give up your whole life but get tons of fame. There's rappers who don't write but get companies that's making office for souls for a chunk of change. I got more profit than those y'all so dumb to chase, but they pop off on a song with your punk today. Man, I got the Glock that I told make you tuck your chain. You see my pockets is Gordo, you chubby chase. I got a plot to take over the continent while I'm overthinking all these bitches out here gossiping. I'ma take a split, take a hit, something monstrous, cause I really quit, but I think I've been boxing and all this bullshit and I'm sick of.
She said, I think that I meant to be boxing. She was like, I took a hit. I like that switcher. That was kind of cool. Hold on. Go back a little bit. That was kind of cool.
You change, you see my pockets is Gordo, you chubby chase. I got a plot to take over the continent while I'm overthinking all these bitches out here gossiping. I'ma take a split, take a hit, something monstrous, cause I really quit, but I think I've been boxing and all this bullshit and I'm sick of the politics. I'ma show you it's really fixed, but it's obvious all of these hoes really want to just party and molly and violence and bottles and popping and dropping and opposite. That is just me, I'm here taunting them. All they admire is knots and the guap and shit. Alternately, I think I'm gonna stop the gig. Talk to them, all bitches wearing this God-given Oculus Earth is your confidence. I'm just subconscious shit trying to make all y'all get y'all bitches hearing my shit, but I'm not spitting any more lessons, man. Do what you wish. I ain't gon' stress it, man. You finna get Little Miss Snow from 08 where I spit all about selling drugs and the things that I did. Cause I done sold tapes and I toured and I ripped all these stages from east to the west, and these kids and these magazine covers just don't give a shit. What the fuck you want product? I'll give you a fix. This is it. Fix this is it.
See, I've been on my hustle for a minute, now it's really time to get.
I've never seen her rap like that. That was tough. Oh, she was like, she was getting it. That's tough. That was real tough.
So it's only fair I'm letting them know that I'm a motherfucking animal. It's true, you don't want me coming for you. Just sit back and keep enjoying the show, cause yo, you don't really want it. Come and step to the flow, you already know. Make it too cold with the microphone. I'm beast mode, better leave it alone. You don't really want it. Cause I came too far to stop. Regardless, I'm off the wall, jump off the block. I'm a monster, watch bitch, better call the cops.
See, deep, carnivorous, balls ripping shit. I'm the boss, people be calling me sergeant, this bitch. Make a mess, gotta keep a fucking top in the whip. As I keep evolving, just like Darwin predicts. So it's off with his head, then I'm off with his chick. Keep it calm till I flip, then I'm off in this bitch. Fuck Dawn of the Dead, shit, I got grown men. How did none of they bed thinking that monsters exist? Cooking up that East Coast dough with a pad and a pen and the words that I wrote. quote. Every syllable and letter that's enclosed in a quote are too complex for most folks, but you know I'm a ghost in the booth, can't see me though. Hard body with the flow, C3PO. Lost track of what the fuck I said with D we roll. So high, Major Tom can't reach me, bro. Yo, it's Major Tom and you don't really want it, so everyone can suck my dick without a condom on it. I'm just.
There's a good chance that I'm gonna eliminate all the features from the use. They just wasn't as good as the original artists in both songs. Snow killed it, Lola killed it, and the features were they just alright, seriously. So I'm not gonna use that to help determine my voting. If you want to do that, you can. I recommend you don't. Matter of fact, I'm issuing all judges to not use the features in this one. You just use the female rap.
Tonic, couple capsules in my pocket. Now I'm gon' rock it, feeling so right. Going psychotic, they feeling my rhyme. Sipping hypnotic, I'm losing my mind. Back another time, cause I'm just a motherfucker with the coldest flows. CT to the poking nose. You better hold the phone before you leave with a broken nose. So dope that I think I'm about to overdose. Now I'm feeling like I'm really about to go the road that ain't chose by most men, so I go alone to the dark side. How could I have sold my soul? I never had one, bitch. So fucking let's go.
Hustle for a minute, now it's really time to get it. So it's only fair I'm letting them know that I'm a motherfucking animal, it's true. You don't want me coming for you. Just sit back and keep enjoying the show. Cause yo, you don't really want it.
Come and step to the flow, you already know. Make it too cold with the microphone. I'm beast mode, better leave it alone.
You don't really want it.
Cause I came too far to stop. Regardless, I'm off the wall, tripped off the block. I'm a monster, watch bitch, better call the cops.
Thanks for watching the video. Definitely go check out the full tournament. You're about to see it on the screen any second in the top left corner and the bottom right corner. There's so many other girls who went head to head. I know you're watching this video because you wanted to see your favorite, but if you are a fan of great rap and also female rap and also good competition, definitely go check out. I'm the only person on YouTube doing tournament brackets for artists. My male tournament is coming up very soon, so go ahead and spam the comments and binge watch the tournament to find out who won. Every day you'll get another video from this tournament, and I thank you. See y'all in the next one.